Hello everybody. We know that a drone pilot career is now highly demanded across India. To become a successful drone pilot, you have to master simulation. Drone simulation involves replicating real-world scenarios in a virtual environment to train and refine drone piloting skills. It is just like piloting a real drone. Excelling in simulation requires dedication and strategic learning. Drone pilots of EduRade use specialized software to practice flight operations, navigate various terrains, and simulate complex missions. Our immersive training method enables users to develop proficiency in controlling different drone models, responding to emergencies, and mastering precision tasks. Drone simulation is a crucial tool for beginners and experienced operators to enhance their capabilities in risk-free settings. Let's learn some basic tricks to become masters in drone simulations. There are some valuable tips that you can follow to become a master in simulation. Choose a reliable drone simulation software. Yes, it is fundamental, but the most crucial step is to pick the right simulation platform for master drone simulation. We offer a great drone simulation experience that will make you confident enough to fly the drones easily. Once the platform selection process is done, then it is essential to understand basic and advanced drone flight controls. You have basic knowledge of drone-based hardware like throttle, pitch, roll, and yaw. In the advanced step, controls like how to perform altitude hold, GPS-assisted navigation, and manual override need to be experienced. Seamlessly manipulating these controls is crucial for safe and precise drone operation. Navigation skills are pivotal in drone piloting. Practice navigating virtual terrains, adapting to weather conditions, and handling diverse landscapes. This step ensures you can confidently operate a drone in real-world scenarios, considering factors like wind, obstacles, and changing elevations. A thorough understanding of sensors is essential for effective drone operation. Simulate scenarios that involve various sensors such as GPS, altimeters, accelerometers, and gyroscopes. In this section, you can learn how to interpret sensor data and make informed decisions during flight. This knowledge is vital for accurate navigation and maintaining control in challenging conditions. Practical experience in simulating real-world scenarios enhances your ability to respond to challenges. Create scenarios involving emergencies, varying wind speeds, and obstacles to develop quick decision-making skills. This step ensures you are well prepared to handle unexpected situations. Successful drone operations often involve careful mission planning. Use the simulation platform to develop skills in creating and executing mission plans. This includes defining waypoints, setting flight parameters, and ensuring the drone's safe return. Effective mission planning is vital for mapping, surveillance, and search and rescue operations. Simulate scenarios involving system failures to gain hands-on experience in troubleshooting and problem solving. Here, we will prepare you to handle unexpected technical issues during actual drone flights. Understanding how to respond to and recover from system failures is critical for maintaining safety and minimizing risks. Explore and master advanced features available in the simulation platform. This may include functionalities like obstacle avoidance, automated flight modes, and integration with external systems. Understanding and utilizing these advanced features will enhance your capabilities as a drone pilot, providing you with a broader skill set for complex missions and applications. Continued exploration of advanced features keeps you updated on the latest drone technology and simulation capabilities developments. I have briefly discussed the drone simulation program in this video for your better understanding. It will help you to clear the concept of drone simulations. Just call 7449497777 and enroll today at EduRade to become a government-approved drone pilot that will improve your career heights. If you like my video, please like and comment on our posts and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with our latest drone pilot courses.